A senior Iranian transport official says 39 people have been killed and 9 others injured in a plane crash in Tehran. The Iran 140 aircraft carrying 40 passengers and 8 crew members crashed in a residential area shortly after taking off from Tehran's Mehrabad airport on Sunday morning. Members of the Revolutionary Guard worked to secure the crash site, and security and to rescue personnel combed the wreckage as onlookers gathered shortly after the plane went down. The plane's mangled but largely intact tail section was torn from the fuselage and came to rest on a nearby roadway. The plane, operated by Sepan Air, was headed to Tabriz. That's a town in northern Iran. The Iranian news agency reported that an engine shutdown apparently caused this crash.